Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we will be solving one more magic square set, a very small set just to give you the idea how to approach this type of question. And there is a slight change in this particular question. The question says, we are supposed to fill this n into n matrix, that is 3 into 3 matrix, the numbers between 1 and 12, including the extreme position numbers. Now, number between 1 and 12, including the extreme position number, that means 1 and 12, the total numbers are 12, right? So these 12 numbers are supposed to be filled into a 3 into 3 matrix. Now the problem is, in a 3 into 3 matrix, the total number of cells that you have is 9. Numbers that you're supposed to fill is 12, right? When you read it further, it says that not every number is supposed to be used, right? It doesn't mean that every number from 1 and 12 has to be filled here. You're supposed to select 9 numbers out of these 12 numbers to be filled in a 3 into 3 square grid in such a way that each number occur once and the entries along each column, each row and each of the two diagonals add up to the same value as 24. The summation should be 24. Now what number out of these 12 numbers we are supposed to use? What 9 numbers out of 12, right? The total numbers are given 12 and we are supposed to use only 9 out of those 12, right? Those 9 numbers can be any numbers, right? But the summation of these numbers should add up to value as 24. Not every number will be used. No, it's not compulsory that every number from 1 to 12 has to be used. You may use each number only once, complete the grid. We are supposed to complete the grid. Okay. Direct information can be used. The summation has to be 24. So if this is 7, this is 6. Can I say this number will be 11? Very easy. Only then the summation can be equal to 24. Now, I also need the summation here as 24, here as 24, right? I also need the summation in the column wise 24, right? And it should be the diagonal, the summation of the diagonal should also be 24. The summation of the diagonal here should also be 24, right? As I told you in the previous video, that your target should be to find out this number, because the moment you find this number, you will find this number because you know the sum is 24. The moment you find this number, using this diagonal, you will also find this number. And the moment you find this number, using the diagonal sum, you can find out this number. Now, once you know this number, this number, this particular cell number, this particular cell, everything will be find out. If you can find out what will be the number which will come in the middle, right? So this cell is our target, right? यही cell को आपको सबसे पहले target करना है. So let's see. Let's assume this number is A, this number is B, right? This number is C, and this number is D. Let's use it now. Let's use the concept. If this number is 6, can I say that A plus B, right here, this number is B, right? A plus B will be equal to 18, right? A plus C will be equal to what? If A plus B is 18, right? A plus C, this number is 7, so A plus C has to be 17, okay? And you see that A plus D here should be equal to 13. Now you see that number A has to be same in all these three, right? And that number A when added to B give you 18. The number A when added to C give you 17. The number A when added to D will give you a number 13. Now let's see what that number could be using these three equations. Now we have the numbers from 1 to 12, right? Just to explain you, let's write down all the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? I already used number 6, 7 and 11. So 6, 7 and 11 has already been used. So these numbers are not available to me. Now look for some combination here. A same number A added to B give you 18. Now tell me which number can give you the summation as 18 here. You see that there is only one possible combination. 1 plus 17 will be 18. 17 is not available to us. 2 plus 16 will be 18. 3 plus 15 will be 18. 15 is not available to us. 4 plus 14 will be 18. 14 is not available to us. 5 plus 13 will be 18. 13 is not available to us. We are reduced down to only one possibility. If I need the summation to be 18, that number has to be 8 and 10. Only 8 plus 10 can give you 18. Now, A can be 8, B can be 10, is a one possible case, or A can be 10, B can be 8, there's a one possible combination. Now let's see how A plus C can be 17. If I take 8, right, if I take A as 8, then C need to be 9, 9 is available to us. If I take A as 10, then C has to be 7. 7 is not available to us. 7 is not available to us, right? 7 has already been used. So this is a possibility which is out of the option. So you get to know A is 8 now. So A plus D is 13. So 8 plus 5 is 13. You see that 8 is the possible values which when added to 10 give you 18, which when added to C 9 give you 17, which when added to 5 give you 13. Now let's use it, guys. Let's use it. If I take A here as 8, you'll get everything, right? 8 plus 6, 14. I need the summation. Yes. 8 plus 6 is 14. I need A plus B to be 18. Now, if A is 8, B is 10, right? Okay. Now, you see 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24, right? And what else? We are left with 10 plus 9, 18. D will be 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 12, 24. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. That's it. The grid is completed now. And these are the numbers that we are supposed to use. Now, whatever question the examiner is asking you, which number will come in this cell, which number will come in this cell, you can easily answer the question, right? So I hope through these two set that I have discussed with you, you get the basic idea how to solve the magic square, how to approach the magic square based questions, right? These were two very, very basic questions. In the next video, we will be discussing one advanced level magic square based concept set, which is a very advanced level, exactly relevant to CAT, not that high level, right? But it says the concept is quite tricky. Cases are so many. You are supposed to, reduce down to, you should know how to reduce down to one single case, right? How to eliminate the number of different cases, right? Which particular case you are supposed to pick, right? So this is what the next set will be all about. So watch these two set, try to solve these two set again. Only then the actual concept of matrix will be fit in your mind, and then you will be able to solve advanced level question, which we'll be solving in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, share it with all of your friends. A lot of videos for your CAT exam preparation and other management entrance exam are coming up. Thank you. See you in the next part.